You want to be president, you are sending people to talk to you. Is that the way it is done? But don't let them no energy. I have too much energy. You require people who have the energy to do the work. Do you understand me? Some people are moving for consensus. I'm not here for that rubbish. If you want to run an election, come and run an election. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare.
Are we talking here?
You think you wake up in your house for president of Nigeria, you are moving around consensus. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare. For me, he did. When they came to me, I told them, this is like shine go. The more you look, the less you see. I told them I'm not a party to this one. And what I don't like in my life is to deceive people. What I will not do, I will not do. What I will do, I will My leaders for the first time, I've been constrained not to reply to things, but I have to say something. I read yesterday when Saraki said the consensus is not for the northern aspect, it's just because they came out first. Look, let me tell you, because you see, lies can turn to truth. Do you understand me? So it's better now. No, those are agents of the APC. PDP! PDP! Why I have to say this? When you read in the news media and nobody comes to react to it, it turns to be the truth. And we must tell ourselves the simple truth. With due respect to my brother, the former Senate President, that is not correct. He said it was because only them from Northern Region came out. It's not correct. With due respect. If you want us to do consensus, tell us the truth. All of us believe in consensus. As the governor of Atiku said yesterday, consensus based on equity, fairness, and what? Justice. And he didn't talk again. Equity, justice, and what? Fairness. So I think that was not correct. You can only know those who have come out for election at the close of nomination, at the close of picking of form. That's when you know who and who has come out or has not come out. The mere fact that you say you will run does not mean that you are going to run. Right? Yeah. After all, that's what people are picking cement from at the back. So it is not correct that they were the only people who came, and that's why they said it was another. It was not correct. The truth, tell the people, Nigerians, the truth. If you have failed, if you have started something on a wrong foundation, if it has failed, tell people, look, we made a mistake. And there's a need for us to work together. They came to me and I told them, ordinarily I shouldn't have said this. But because I read it, what he said, I said, let me correct it. Before I go and tell you why you have no choice, don't make a mistake. And that's the truth. I told them in the meeting, I know your modus operandi. This consensus you're coming, you have something you're hiding. I will not fall to it. All of us, guy man will die, guy man. You look at me, politics. You just come. You want to answer. Good, come. Look, let me see. But maybe you don't. You look myself finish. You want to come with me. Or where would they do consensus? You. Now you are who start first. How did the water enter melon? So you think I will fall in, come and take me? No, let it work like that. If you want run election, run election. If you not let it go home, that's it. Presidency is going to come and talk like that too. To the president of Nigeria, nobody will not share it to you. You will sweat it out. What you should listen, what are the grassroots saying? What are the commoners saying? They are talking wicked. Ask all these people now who want to do consensus, who want to run. Where we are they? Where we are? If you support them, a leopard is a leopard. It cannot change you. Do you understand me? Even if you support them, they only need your vote. At that moment time, they will go. Me, I'm with you. I will be with you. I will be by you. Every day,
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.